Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today, from our English Treasure textbook, we are going to start chapter number 3, that is, A Day in a Jungle. So, students, you know what is jungle? Yes, where the wild animal live. It is called jungle. Okay, a day means you have to. I think poet he spent in a jungle. What a day he spent. Okay, so in your first page you can see in your book page number 18, that is different animals are there. You have to identify it and write it by your own. Okay, so we will start with the chapter. First is in the story to find you have to find out what Jaya and Varun see when they go on a jungle safari with their parents. So here two children are there, Jaya and Varun. They went into a jungle. They have a tour to the jungle with their parents. Okay, so let us read. The children were very excited. Early in the morning, they woke up to the creeping of the birds before the sun's rays could peep in through the treetop. They had taken their seats in the jeep. This was their first visit of jungle with their parents. A forest guide who knew the jungle well also accompanied, accompanied them. Welcome to Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary, said the guide. You will see lots of animals and birds here, and if you are lucky, you may ever spot a tiger. Look, said the guide, pointed to something moving under a bush. They peered down and saw a porcupine. It brushed its quills. Wow, said Jaya, pointing to the spins. Those look like they would really hurt. They drove on, enjoying the overhead canopy of trees and gentle bumps of the road on the road. Up ahead, a few spotted deer were crossing the road. When they went closer, the deer seemed to have disappeared. Where did they go? Asked Varun. They are still here. They are camouflaged, said the guide. What is camouflage? Asked Jaya. So, in this safari, two children were exciting to go in a morning when they woke up. Creeping of a bird means when जब सुबह bird बोलते हैं, okay, and they before the sun rays they could peep through the tree top, okay, and they sit in the jeep. जैसे the sun is not means the morning has not properly done, okay, then what they sit in the jeep and they went for the first visit to the jungle with their parents. A forest guide accompanied them. Accompanied means they taken a guide for their for jungle reference means जानने के लिए, okay. Then the guide tell welcome to Mukta Sanctuary, and there are lots of birds and animals over we can spot, and if you are lucky we can see the tiger also. The guide then said, look at there, the something bush is moving. So they peered mean look carefully, ध्यान से देखते. तो what is that? That is there is porcupine. Porcupine means a animal, okay, that have needle like fur, okay. When he sees the some animal or something is attacking him, he open that fur. It has pointed needle type fur, okay. It breasted its squirrel. Breasted mean stood upside, and quirrels mean thin sharp shines on a porcupine body, as I told you. Okay, then Jaya said, wow. Okay, and it is the spins. They look like would really hurt. Obviously, the needle type sharp fur it porcupine have in his body, so it may be hurt any animals, those who attack him. Okay, then they drive on. They see the overhead canopy means branches and trees, leaves of branch trees that form a cover high above the ground. Okay, then they cross the road. Then uh, where did they go? Varun asked, where we are going? They are they are still here. They are when they crossed the road. A few spotted the deer. Okay, crossing the road, and the deer seem to have disappeared. Means चले जाते हैं वहाँ, disappeared मतलब. Okay, then Varun asked, where did they go? They still here. They are camouflage, said the guide. What is camouflage? Okay, so what is camouflage? Jaya asked. It is then the guide answer. It is special way of hiding by animals, especially when they sense danger. The colors of patterns on their bodies often help them to merge with their natural surroundings. It then becomes difficult to spot them, explained the guide. You cannot see the spotted deer because its brown skin and white spots have merged with the trunks of the trees. The guide was looking through the binocular when he froze. He started he stared hard, then he pointed to the tree in the distance. A leopard, he said in the low voice, and it has a kill on a tree. Okay, what is canopy? What is camouflage? Camouflage means it is a special way of hiding animals. Okay, have you seen that chameleon? It body color exists when he sit in anything. Okay, blue color, green color. Okay, when they are in danger, they change their body color. Means not only chameleon, every animals have a like special when they sense of a danger. They either hide or take something place that they are they means they can escape from danger. Okay, and they merge the color with the surrounding also. Okay, and you cannot see the spotted deer because its brown skin and white spotted have merged with the trunks of the tree. Then the guide was looking through the binocular. Okay, and he froze. He froze means he stared constant. So what he see in a low voice, he said, a leopard I see, and it has a kill on the tree. Kill means an animal who he kill for his food. Okay, then you can see the picture, the guide with Varun and his Varun, Jaya and his their parents. Then everyone looked through the binocular one by one. Sure enough, a majestic leopard started back at them, and that everyone one by one, them four of everyone them, they saw from the binocular the leopard, and the leopard constantly staring them. What every animal we can see, सर जानवर देखते हैं, हम जब उसे देखते हैं तो वो कांस्टेंट हमारी तरफ देखता है, वो सोचते हैं कि वो डेंजर में तो नहीं है. ओके, देन व्हाट इज़ द किल? व्हाई इज इट अप ऑन द ट्री? आस्क्ड वरुण. सो वरुण आस्क्ड, व्हाट इज द किल? And it is a deer, replied the guide. The leopard has carried it up so that it would not be snatched away by the tiger or a hyena. So leopard had killed the kill means the animal kill his prey only. Prey means the food of him. Okay, so it he killed a deer and take it up to the tree because he cannot if the animal food is snatched by the other animal, they kept the food in their own way. Okay, उनका तरीका होता है because उनके प्रे को कोई ले ना जाए. Okay, so leopard done the same. He killed the deer and take him up to the tree so that no one can snatch the food of him, like tiger, hyena, okay, lion. They can snatch the food of leopard. Okay, the next, climbing a tree is a very special ability, said the children mother. It takes strong legs to go up and a strong tail to help balance on the tree. Unlike leopard, tigers and lions find it difficult to climb tree because of their weight and large size. They watched the leopard till it was time to move on and leave the big cat alone. They drove through the woodlands and crossed a river. There was a tall grass ahead of them. As they took the narrow road, though through it, they caught sight of a rhinoceros and a calf running into the thicket. Okay, so their mother told that climbing is a special ability. No one can climb the tree. Everyone cannot, because those who learn about it they can, and all animals are cannot. Those who have claws and claws में पंजा उसमें nails so that they can climb properly the tree. Okay, and they should have strong leg and a strong tail also. Okay, to help balance on the tree, like leopard, tiger, lion. Okay, find it difficult to climb tree because their weight and size. They are very heavy, though they have claws and nails, but they are very heavy. So they find most of the time they find difficult to climb on it. Okay, they watching the leopard constantly. All okay, and it was time to move on to leave the big cat alone. Okay, they drove through the woodland and crossed a river. Woodland means an area of land filled with trees. They crossed the woodland, that area which were full of trees, and crossed the river also. There was a large grass ahead of them, and what they see, as they took the narrow road, narrow means patla. Okay, through it they caught a rhinoceros and a calf. Calf means the young one of the rhino. Okay, running into the thicket, a group of trees or bushes growing close together. So rhino, a buffalo type, but not buffalo. Okay, it has long horn in his neck, sorry, in his nose. In that area it has long sharp teeth like that. Okay, लंबा जैसे देखिए आप teeth जैसे दिखता है, but it is a horn. Okay, horn type structure middle of the face. Okay, and his baby called calf. So students, let us read next. Who can tell me what's special about the rhino? Asked the children's father. The hard skin, said Varun, and the horn, said Jaya. It is the rhino's very own dagger to fight with. Very good, said father. Let's climb up and sit on the machon, said the guide. From the machon, they watched langurs on the tree top. There were many birds around too. Then they drove further into the woods and approached a hut. It belongs to ranger. Okay. Then the father asked, do you know what is rhino? So Varun said, yes, it has hard skin And Jaya said it has a horn, and it is a rhino very dagger, means a small sword to fight. Obviously he want to defeat himself like porcupine. Okay, so it has the horn is for dragging the animals, those who fight with him. So his father very happily, very good said. He said, very good, you know. And the guide said, let's climb up and sit in the machan. Machan means a platform that is built in a tree. In a tree, some platform is built to sit around. Okay, and from the machan they can see the lagoons. Okay, and different birds and animals. Then they drove through the wooden approach, okay, and hut to belonging the ranger. Then the guide said the ranger, any calls? They spoke for a while and then took off in the direction the ranger had pointed. Animal sound could be heard at the distance. What happened? Said Jaya. Her mother explained that the animal call out in alarm when they sense danger. The guide was trying to track down a tiger by listening to the animal's call. The forests were very quiet and no pig marks were visible. Suddenly there was an alarm call by the langur, followed by a sambars below. The tiger was returning to its meal. The other animals scattered. A tigress appeared along with her two adorable cubs. Okay. Then the guide asked the stranger, any call or anything? So he said, no, no call. But he pointing, but they spoke for a while, little while. Okay. And some animal sound coming out. Jaya asked what happened. Her mother explained that if the animals are in danger, they give the alarm to everyone with their own sound. Okay. The guide was trying to track down. Track down means follow what is going to happen, why they giving the alarm to everyone. And they listening to the animals calls. The forest was very quiet and pig marks means footprints of the tiger. It was very quiet, very silent, and the footprints of the tiger was there. Suddenly the alarm call by the langur followed by sambars, and sambar means a dark brown deer with branched antlers. Okay, very उसके उसके जो सींग बोलते हैं वो बहुत सारे होते हैं, समझ सांबर. ओके, and below a deep sound made by an animal. Okay, everyone is shouting, giving alarm to everyone, and what they see, the tiger was returning to his meal. Tiger was coming to have a meal, means the for it is a for century, so they are giving the food. Okay, and they what they saw, the tigress means tiger is a male and tigress is the female. Okay, masculine and gender, masculine and feminine. Okay, the tigress with their two cubs. The cubs means the baby of tigress is called cubs. Okay, they are appeared. Okay, you can see the tigress and their two cubs. Then last, the children excitedly watching from the distance as the cub feed and frolicked around their mother. The guide explained that tigers are known for their power and strength. They can even kill animals twice their size. Jaya thought of a moment and then said, Mother, unlike animals, humans do not have fangs, claws, or horns, nor can be camouflaged. Our skin is soft, so what is special about us? Mother smiled. We humans have remembered intelligence with it. Not only can we protect ourselves, but also help our animal friend. How true, said the children, and they hurried back happily. Daddy, shall we come back here for our next summer vacation? Said Varun. Sure. You seem to have read my mind, he smiled. Okay. So you can see the one cub of tigress is feeding, okay, and flocking means playing around happily. They are the small animal babies, they are have playing around their family, around their mother and father. They were very happy. Happy, why they are happy? Because they don't have to read and write, right? No, they are happily because what they have, they are knowing about that. Okay. And the guide told it has a power of strength that he can kill animals twice their size. से बड़ा वो animal kill कर सकते हैं. तो Jaya told mommy, we don't have claws, we don't have horns, we don't have to change our body according to circumstances. We have a soft skin. So does we are anything special in us? So mother told, yes, we have a remember intelligence. Human can remember everything and anything. Okay, and we can work, we can play, we can talk, but animal could not. Okay, so it is not the disappointment of the animal, but what is that we have a something different in us. Okay, animals, we know that but they have a happy life, but what we people human are, we have more than happy because we can do everything. Okay, and we can especially help the animals that they cannot talk or tell. Okay, then they told Varun told that father, we want to come in our next summer vacation. So his father told, have you read my mind? Have you good to know what I am thinking about? It means his father and parents are thinking about to come in next summer vacation also. Okay, so the story is that all the humans and all the animals have their own importance in within them. Okay, we can talk, we can walk, we can learn, we are very intelligent. Okay, but animals, they are special, but they can only walk, they can only eat, they can only see. Okay, either they have a special character, that is they have claws, they had fangs, they had horns, they can change the body according to the situation, they can make the sound, danger sound. Means all the humans and animals have their own speciality within them. Okay, so no one is best or good, all are best in their own way. So what you have, you are have to satisfy with it. Okay, no one is small, no one is big, everyone quality has God has given the that much quality which we can handle. Okay, so students, read the chapter once and you can understand better. Okay, thank you everyone.